going on,
Hey
guys?
guys, Alex here,
Jonathan right here, man. What's going on with these markets? Come on, Crypto Alex. What's going on with these markets, man? How crazy is this thing?
and we got some crazy action in certain cryptos. First, we're going to be looking at Akon finalizing his deal with his own cryptocurrency to upgrade Senegal and West Africa. Pretty cool idea, and you may see more of this in the future. Definitely a good way to use his fame in a positive way. It can really build up a country that could really use some money, some upgrades. So it's really a cool thing. It really shows how powerful crypto is and the cool stuff that can be accomplished.
With his own name too. I like that.
I think Akon's leading the way, and I think you're going to see more of these projects where this kind of thing can be done with other people and other
Yeah,
areas. So
and a coin too. I like that
that's
aspect of
right. So
it.
that's pretty cool.
It's
But
gonna hit more mainstream. I'm curious to see if like Jay-Z or Beyonce is gonna have one or someone to pop it up as far as
right,
more
I
mainstream.
think you'll see more and more maybe engineers, maybe
Yeah,
people that are leading movements. Maybe religions. There's a lot of things you may see come out of this. So
true.
but now let's move on and look at Ethereum Classic had quite the run. Not only is it up over 35%, although it's retracing a little bit, it's down maybe a little over 5% now. It's a top 10, became a top 10 crypto. After its hard fork, it's also compatible now on the Ethereum chain. Look at that. We're talking green candles
250%,
here. It's
man.
quite a good day. Over the past week or so, you might have almost doubled your money or over doubled your money in this coin. So keep
All
an
I
eye
see is
on this one. I
green.
don't think it's done. People are
No.
saying it's going to go up 1,000 times more. I don't know if it's going to be that crazy, but it's definitely got some upside from here. So
That's crazy, man. 250%, man. I just,
yeah,
hey, can you please tell me where in the stock market can you get 250%? Because
you really
I'm
can't do
lost.
it, not in a short time frame.
Of
Maybe some freak startup company where you catch it right on time, but it's not going to
course.
happen.
Never. Not even Tesla
Um,
stock. Everybody's thought it was funny. The journal, everybody, Main Street's talking about Tesla stock. How you actually need to get it. It's gonna be like it's killing it. It's killing it. It's killing it. It's
yeah,
killing
it's going to do crypto-like gains. Well, I think only in
it.
crypto also where you get an image like this cat. You don't see
Yeah.
that on Wall Street either, and it's much more fun. So there's a lot of cool stuff going in crypto. Look at that, and we're going to see more and more of this.
Yeah.
And you had some pretty cool top 100, top 200 cryptos you wanted to mention real quick.
Yes, I did right here. Absolutely. We talked about it a little bit earlier. Swipe is one of them. Kind of hidden in the marketplace a little bit. It's one of those altcoins that not too
Right,
many
and
people are talking about the alt
SXP.
market a little bit at all, man. But I'm telling you, it's SXP. Anybody's looking at that symbol, it's had already up 18% just for the day.
Quite a run.
But
It's a wallet service, and I think as we
yes,
enter a bull run, you have more users, more network effect. You're going to see growth in wallet
it
spaces in
is.
general. This being a good one. These are the movers we're trying to cover for you guys to show you really where the money is, how
Yeah,
to really get involved here. It's up 18% on the day,
I
so you can
know.
see as the bull rally comes and it moves up. What number is it? Can you scroll up a tad bit? It's going to move from 49 maybe to up from 49 to some number above it and really make strong gains. So keep an eye on that one. And Jonathan had one more for you here today.
Absolutely. We have Bitcoin Cash too that we looked at too. Can I say one more thing about Swipe too?
Okay,
I think it's misnomer. But how many people need a wallet? Let me ask you this. I know this is a rhetorical
that's
question. I
right.
know you know this. How many people need a wallet when it comes to having the crypto?
Right, and how much nicer is it to use an easy interface on a wallet as opposed to an old school one?
Exactly. Everybody's gonna need it. So I just think that's pretty smart that they're able to play
That's
on it.
kind of the use case we were talking about with Binance Coin too. Generally, as traffic increases, so will things to facilitate that traffic.
Exactly.
Binance
Exactly.
Coin with a discount. Bitcoin Cash consistently doing well over the past few weeks. It's over doubled, maybe. Um, I'm not sure exactly, but almost tripled.
Yeah, it
So
did.
keep an eye on it. I think it's going to continue going up. There's a little worries about Bitcoin Satoshi's vision that it may continue retracing down. I think it had a high of 400 and it's been retracing down since then. BSV.
I'm pulling it up right now. Yeah, it did.
And
Look at
it
this.
is
Look at
continuing
this.
to crash down. So keep an eye on this. Anything that spikes up. The problem with Bitcoin SB is there's only a few miners in the system, only
Yeah.
a few real players in the system. So be careful with this spike. Just want to keep you heads up on this. It can really come crashing down on you.
Yeah, no kidding. Like I said again, I think the pump of the volume. I mean, look how insane this volume is. You know what I mean? Like
Oh yeah,
$3 billion
it's
in
really
volume.
got a lot of room. I don't want to see people get in and have
get
one of
hurt.
their first trades really collapse down on them. So again, we're
It-
not
it-
financial advisors, but we are looking out for you
oh
in
yeah.
both making gains, and preventing your losses.
Hey, real quick, can I say something just so I noticed too? I think it's very telling, and you should always be aware when the volume, the total 24-hour volume, almost actually encompasses the market cap.
That's right, and it is especially extremely a large amount more than it ever has been in the past.
Yeah,
So keep an eye on that.
yeah. 3.4 billion traded when over its market cap's only 4.9. I mean, obviously it's billions of dollars, but still, it's really close. They're just putting it
Right.
out there. Yeah. So
Well, I
I
think
mean,
those are excellent covers. I think you want to keep an eye on these movers. We're going to continue to cover them, try and get the maximum chance for upside here, and we're going to keep delivering it to you as every day if we can, or every other day. We'll try to keep pumping them out to you guys. So keep viewing, keep hitting that like, subscribe, hit the bell so you'll get a notification whenever we post, and we'll try to keep it consistent.
absolutely. And we want any questions you have down below or regarding any altcoin you want us to cover. We're going to cover some of these altcoins that nobody's really talking about at all. That's what we're here for, you guys, is those secret gems that people are
Right.
actually skipping and missing on that we're going to actually cover. Those are the gainers, I'm telling you. Those are the gainers, the sleepers.
And above all, enjoy the ride. 2020 is going to be an awesome year, and we're going to enjoy every day and be a part of it every day. So
That's right.
thank
I
you
love
guys
it.
for watching, and have a good night.
Hey, you too, guys. Take care, guys.